Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how to do something super simple, and that's replacing the rear hatch seal in a 2013 and up Focus. This is going to be like a 5-minute repair or less, so this is something you can easily do at home on your own. So let's get started. So you can see here why I need to replace the seal on my ST. It's completely shot and falling apart. Now you can use the rear seal out of any 2013 and up Focus hatchback. I got this from a pull your own parts yard and it cost me about $2 and it's in mint condition. Now you're going to start by pulling your old hatch seal out. It will be glued in, but it will come out easily. Just start at one end and work your way all the way around, pulling it out of the groove. Now I'm not gluing my seal in because it's not necessary. It'll hold in just fine. But just start at one end like you did when you took it out and work it all the way around back into the groove and around the trim pieces inside. I realize this was a super easy how-to video, but not everyone's at the same level, and this will definitely help someone out. So if you found this video helpful and you like my content, I ask that you please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I put out content all the time on this Focus ST, my Super Duty Harley Davidson edition, my 47 Plymouth, and anything else that I'm working on to include details. So as I said, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. With that, I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you next time.